Bang' bedo kod tam ero mar ariyo modiochieng' malich mokalo, Jopuonje sub county ma Nyakach e Kisumu County gikone to koro ne obedo kod odiochieng' mar mor ma bende gidendo ni Teachers Fun Day. En odiochieng' ma bende ne okelo miche kod miche mag jopuonje ma bende wuok e sub county no ero kanyakla, ka bende ne gibedo kod mor e tuke ma opogore opogore kendo jiwore koni kod kocha. Ka bende nyasi ma bende ne osir machiegni kod achiel kuom josiasa kendo johala e sub county no ma Nyakach, migosi Jonathan Okoth Opande. Kane otwa kod jofwambo e nyasi maket kod mano, migosi Jonathan Okoth Opande ni onyiso ber mar chenro maket kod maendi.
No, this is an annual event for our Nyakach teachers. It's an annual fun day that we have for our teachers to socialize and just release the tension for mental health reasons. And it is something we'll be doing annually. So it goes a long way in assisting our teachers to have one, good interpersonals, and also to rejuvenate them for work and to assist in training our children as people of Nyakach. So it's an annual thing that we do to appreciate our teachers and to help us also deal with the mental problems that arise from different professions, especially teaching profession.
Kabende korka kore migosi Opande koro ne yuago malich mokalo pesa makelo engo mebende chulo jopuonj kanyakala koda pesa go eko mag jolo somo e pacho kaendi mabende dendo gi dhombogo ni capitation.
Even today I'm from a secondary school where the teachers are asking for support for third term, and capitation, as we have always said, should be given a rethink, and we should increase it properly and fund it as a matter of budget policy, not on fund availability basis. Should be timed, as I've always mentioned, and should be fixed that particular dates must be there when funds must reach schools to ensure that our learning goes on uninterrupted.
Kinde gogo achiel kuom jotelo mabende noyuore nyasi maket kod maendi, migosi Lumumba Owade mabende ne MCA no ero ma South East Nyakach ne opoyo tim maket kod maendi ka bende ojiwo jopuonj ka giyie to kinde neno duto ginyal bedo kanyakla.
Personally, I'm very elated. I'm very happy for what Honorable Pande has done to the teachers. This is just complementing what some schools have been doing. Those schools that are financially able, I know every time they close, the principals struggle to entertain their members of staff. But more importantly today, Honorable Pande has brought all the teachers together from various schools that they are able to interact both academically, extracurriculum, and get to know each other. Is very important and very, very encouraging.
Jol maket kod maendi mabende jopuonj ma Nyakach kino yudo kokalo kuom migosi Jonathan Okoth Opande koro ne opuo malich mokalo kod tend jopuonj gieki ahinya to mago mag tuke Kisumu County kotelnegi koda migosi Jojo Sura.
And I want to really thank Honorable Okoth Opande for the work he has done for us. From last year he sponsored it 90%, but this year he decided and said this time it's 100%. I think that's a great thing that we cannot take for granted. Let us appreciate him for that. Colleague teachers who are here, all of us are aware that teachers, once we are through with our term, we become more stressed because there is a lot that we undergo. And most of this month was a very bad month for the teachers of this country, not only Nyakach sub-county. You saw them say teachers will be laughing all the way to the bank. And what we saw were teachers getting 36 shillings. And Honorable was making a joke on me that, so you mean 36? That's what your people can fight for.
Kabende migosi Opande koro ne omnono e mbaka moro mabende moko kuom jotelo e pacho kaendi osebedo ka goyo mar wito oko paro mar jolo somo manono e pacho kaendi. Opande koro wacho ni piny Kenya osego okang' mar ariya ahinya to weche go eko mag somo ma weche go eko mag jolo somo manono e pacho kaendi ok en gino ero mabende nyalore e pacho kaendi.
We can't lose free primary education. We must finance it. We must have it. We can't go back. We can only go forward. So there's no two ways about free primary education. We can't negotiate about it. We can afford it. We can afford it. If anything, we should talk about completely free secondary education as we draw a roadmap to free university education. So as a country, we can't afford the discussion of free primary education. It's something we did 22 years ago, 23 years ago. It's backwards. We can't go back there. It is something that is there to stay, and the government must think, must work, and must sustain and maintain free primary education as we think of full free secondary and do a roadmap for free university. So it's something we can talk about.
Sisi kama walimu tukiwa pamoja hivi na tunasherehekea pamoja, tunakuwa na nguvu. Umoja ni nguvu na utengano ni udhaifu. Amen.
Negala TV kwa sub county ni Nyakach, Kisumu County and Justice Adoyo.